Hey guys, Bard Bryan for the Bard Bryan Law Offices here in Paducah, Kentucky. We had talked about in an earlier video about getting ready for your car wreck, and I was mentioning some people about getting their automobile insurance fixed up, making sure their underinsured and uninsured insurance coverage was bumped up, and they had a little confusion. Let me explain. You can go to your agent, look at what's called your Declaration of Rights sheet, and on that you will see where it has uninsured and underinsured. Here's what you want to look for. If you've got $100,000, say, of liability and coverage, increase your uninsured and your underinsured coverage to that same amount. That way, if the person hits you and they don't have enough insurance to pay for your pain and suffering and your lost wages, you can go to your own insurance company up to that limit and say, hey, I've got $100,000 of uninsured where this guy didn't have enough. Or he had insurance, but he didn't have enough to cover me. He only had $25,000, which is the limit in Kentucky. He's only got $25,000, you've got another $100,000 in damages, where do you go? The person doesn't have any money to go after or to sue, which that is a rarity that the person has personal assets you can go after, so what are you gonna do? Well, if you've done what we've talked about and you've raised your uninsured and your underinsured, you can go to your own insurance company, say, hey, this person hit me, they don't have enough money, and then you can seek your recovery from your own insurance company. Check your Declaration of Rights sheet. It's called a deck sheet in the trade. Make sure that your underinsured and your uninsured are also up to your liability limits. And if your liability limits are the minimum, only $25,000, bump that up as soon as you can and get as much coverage as you reasonably can afford for your automobile.